This Google Pixel Watch 2 upgrade could solve the first model's biggest problem. Google's next Pixel Watch is allegedly on the horizon, set to arrive alongside the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Now that looks like more news about the watch is rising to the surface, with reports that it will arrive with a Qualcomm GPU5 processor, improved battery life, and new sensors for health tracking. On balance, the Pixel Watch is a great Wear OS device, but it's not entirely practical. The watch looks great and performs well, but battery life is a major miss, with the Pixel Watch struggling to make it a full day away from a charger, according to a report from 9 to 5 Google. Though, that could be changing in the next model, thanks to a new chipset from Qualcomm. The original Pixel Watch uses a years-old Samsung chipset, paired with an ARM coprocessor. The setup makes for surprisingly robust and fluid performance, but it doesn't do the wearable any favors when it comes to battery life. Google's official estimate is that the Pixel Watch can make it 24 hours on a charge with the always-on display turned off, and more demanding use will run it down even faster. While the new chipset might be responsible, Google has no doubt also optimized its software with Wear OS 4. It looks like the new watch could borrow some tech from Fitbit, with the news outlet stating it could make use of a continuous electrodermal activity sensor for all-day stress management and tracking, as well as a skin temperature sensor. While the Pixel Watch 2 moniker hasn't been locked in yet, there's a good chance we're going to see that name when it makes its debut later this year. It's unclear what level of customization, if any, is occurring, but the Snapdragon 5 Plus Gen 1 was announced last July and just arrived on the first Wear OS watch. Google switching from Samsung Exynos for its second-generation wearable is very notable and quite surprising. Conservatively, we were expecting the 5nm W920 used in the Galaxy Watch 4 and 5. Another possibility was the rumored W980, expected to show up in Galaxy Watch 6. The Pixel Watch is only one of Google's product lines, so it would be premature to speculate how a change in wearables impacts foundry decisions on the phone side, with Tensor featuring much more customization. The big impact of this change, according to what we're hearing, is much improved battery life. The Watch 2's battery life could conceivably let go 2 days without charging if settings are adjusted to conserve battery, which can be useful when traveling. The new chipset is undoubtedly responsible for this boost, while Google has teased Wear OS 4 as featuring several updates and optimizations to help your app run as smoothly and efficiently as possible. Set to arrive in the fall, the Pixel Watch 2 is presumably one of the first devices to launch with Wear OS 4. Still, it's clear Google has taken feedback about the Pixel Watch's lackluster battery to heart. At Google I/O earlier this month, it announced Wear OS 4 would be coming this fall and that better battery life was coming along with it. All these factors together make me hopeful that the Pixel Watch 2 will last longer than its predecessor. I'm just not sure by how much. So what are your thoughts about this new chipset on Google's upcoming watch lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.